Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Previously, we read letters with movements Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma, and we've completed 22 letters. Now, these are last 6 letters we have to read here, and then this lesson will be completed. So, now we are starting this. So before starting, we have to read Ta'uz and Tasmiyah. I'm reading, so read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first letter we have here is Zal. And first up, Zal has Fatha upon it. So first we will read the letter as we were reading before, then the sign, and at the end, the sound. Okay. So when Zal has Fatha upon it, so we have to read it like Zal Fatha Za. The sound will be Za. Zal Fatha Za. Then Zal has Kasra, and when Zal has Kasra underneath it, then we have to read it Zal Kasra Zi. Zal Kasra Zi. The sound will be Zi. And then Zal has Dhamma upon it. Zal Dhamma Zu. Zal Dhamma Zu. The sounds will be Za, Zi, Zu. Za, Zi, Zu. Next up, we have Sa here, and Sa has Fatha upon it. So the sound will be Sa. Sa Fatha Sa. Sa Fatha Sa. Then Sa has Kasra underneath it. Sa Kasra Si. Sa Kasra Si. Then Sa has Dhamma. Sa Dhamma Su. Sa Dhamma Su. Sa Si Su. The sounds will be Sa Si Su. The next letter we have is Fa, and when Fa has Fatha upon it, so we have to read it like Fa Fatha Fa. Fa Fatha Fa. Then Fa has Kasra underneath it. Fa Kasra Fi. Fa Kasra Fi. Next up, Fa has Dhamma upon it. So we will read it like Fa Dhamma Fu. Fa Dhamma Fu. And the sounds will be Fa Fi Fu. Fa Fi Fu. Next up, the next letter we have here is Vaw. And when Vaw has Fatha upon it, so we have to read it like Vaw Fatha Va. The sound will be Va. Vaw Fatha Va. Then Vaw Kasra Vi. Vaw Kasra Vi. Then Vaw has Dhamma upon it. Vaw Dhamma Vu. Waw dhamma vu, and the sounds will be va, vi, vu, va, vi, vu. The next letter we have is ba, and ba has fatha upon it here, so we have to read it like ba fatha ba. First we have to read the letter, then sign, and then sound. Ba fatha ba, ba fatha ba. Then ba has kasra here. Then ba has kasra here, so we have to read it like ba kasra bi, ba kasra bi. The sounds will be bi. And then next up we have dhamma upon ba, so we have to read it like ba dhamma bu. First the letter, then the sound, and first the letter, then sign, and at the end sound. Ba dhamma bu, ba dhamma bu, and the sounds will be ba, ba, bi, bu. The next letter we have here, and the last letter is meme, and when meme has fatha upon it, so then we have to read it like meme fatha ma, meme fatha ma, meme fatha ma. Then meme has kasra here, so we have to read it meme kasra mi, meme kasra mi, meme kasra mi. Then at the end meme has dhamma upon it, so we have to read it as meme dhamma mu, meme dhamma mu, and the sounds will be ma, mi, mu. So now we've completed this lesson of movements, means the fatha, kasra, and dhamma. So in this lesson we've completed the sounds of letters, means when any sign like fatha, kasra, or dhamma comes upon any letter, so what will be the sound of that letter. So you have to practice this, you have to make this perfect, okay, all these sounds, and then inshallah in the next lesson we will start the next lesson, and that next lesson is about the double movements. In this lesson we were reading just one movement, like a letter having one fatha, one kasra, and one dhamma. In the next lesson we will read inshallah about the double movements, means when a letter having double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, so what will be the sound and how we have to read those letters.